Hello, children. So, in this very video, I will be dealing with the different kinds of food, means the energy giving foods, bodybuilding way foods, and the protective foods. So all of you till now we have get to know that food contain five important nutrients, that is carbohydrate, fat, proteins, vitamin, and minerals. And along with these, we are also supposed to take water and roughage. So all of you know that the fat and carbohydrates are both are the energy giving food. They give us energy, and protein is regarded as the bodybuilding or growth food, because if we take the correct amount of protein, then the growth of a person is going to be very nice. It will be according to the age. Vitamin and minerals, they are called the protective food. They are required in a very small amount, but they are very important in order to protect our body from any kind of diseases. So some important vitamins are given over here: vitamin A, B, C, D, E, and K. And some important minerals are iron, potassium, calcium, and iodine. Children, vitamin C is very essential for humans, but not for cows, because they can produce their calcium in their body. But we human beings, we can't produce the calcium, so we have to take the calcium from the outside. So it's very important for us to take the calcium rich diet. Otherwise, a person is going to suffer from different problems. Now, fiber of roughage, as I told you, they are not giving us energy, but they are very important because they help in the digestion of food, for the removal of waste from our body. Okay, so when we are taking fruits, vegetables, grains, cereals, so automatically we are gaining this fiber and roughage. Water is again, it's very important because it help in carrying out the different body functions smoothly. Okay, so all the systems of our body, it is working properly because it is getting water is very important medium. Okay, through the water is acting as a medium for the transportation of nutrients, vitamins, protein, different things, different nutrients from one part of our body to the other part. For the removal of waste also, water is very important. And water also helps in regulation of the body temperature. Okay, and every day it is said that everyone should have the 6 to 8 glass of water every day. So this water and nutrients, they are not providing us energy at all, but they are very important because they help in carrying out the different processes in our body smoothly. Okay, now come to the balanced diet. So you are having a diet, it's okay, but you have to be very conscious that whether it is a balanced diet or not. So what does a balanced diet means? Balanced diet means that our food is containing, our diet is containing all the five nutrients, and in a correct amount according to our age. We are taking the correct amount of carbohydrate, vitamins, proteins, and fat. So it is very important from that prospect ki according to our age, according to our gender, according to our need, according to our physical activity, we are taking the correct amount of different nutrients. Okay, so now the different food items have been grouped into five different categories: cereals and potatoes, milk and milk products, fat, oil, sweets, fruits and vegetables, pulses, meat, fish, and eggs. So, children, actually, what is a balanced diet? A diet that includes vegetables, fruits, milk and milk products, egg, meat, fishes, pulses, cereals. When you're taking all these things and in a correct portion, okay, you have to eat all these things, but one should also be very conscious that whether he or she is taking it in a correct amount or not. Okay, so this is a balanced diet, and along with the diet we are also supposed to take the water, drink water, and have this fibers. Okay, rough veg also. So the children, the homework is that you have to draw five items of energy giving food, five items of bodybuilding foods, and five items of protective foods in your copy. Thank you.